And we're back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscape, where we turn outdoor landscape dreams into reality. And check out the way we've been able to create this landscape drainage solution for the customer that takes all the water that's coming in from the neighbor's yard and take it into a corrugated 6-inch pipe that goes up under the ground based on this 20-inch drain box and this landscape design that I've come up with. This is amazing the way we were able to solve these landscape problems. But not only were we able to do that, check out this beautiful Zeon Zoysia side. That's right, guys, some of the best grass your money can buy. Brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping. One of the reasons why we become one of the highest rated landscaping companies around is simply because we're focused on giving our customers more quality and more quantity of service than that of what could have ever been expected. That's exactly what we did on this landscape. We came in, we took an existing landscape that had a tremendous amount of erosion problems, and we gave a solution that was going to last a lifetime by being able to provide the beautiful Zeon Zoysia sod. Some of the best grass your money can buy. It's drought tolerant, it's shade tolerant. It's able to sustain a tremendous amount of what I like to call weathering, whether it be an erosion thaw process or whether it be a lot of foot traffic. It's going to be a hardy grass, able to have a rapid repair system. Now, when you have a landscape, you also worry about the water that comes in from your neighbor's yard. And so oftentimes it requires us to come up with a solution in order to deal with that. We do love to use this river rock that you see here because it's 4 to 8 inches. And so the bigger piece is being used in order to give ourselves a border, but the other pieces, being that of an aggregate, are very effective in sucking up that water as it would have moved on the landscape. Now, a design that I've specifically come up with says that if you want to be able to save a little bit on price, then how about taking that into a 20-inch drain box, and instead of a dry creek bed, coming up with a solution that would have allowed for you to put that up under the ground. That's right, a 6-inch corrugated pipe, guys, is going up under the ground, so the water that comes in here is no longer affecting the landscape. Now, what happens is as it goes 6 feet up under the ground, it's then released on the back side of the landscape. And these are some of the ways in which we've come up with solutions that have helped our customer solve their landscape drainage problems once and for all. Now, in addition to that, anytime you have a drainage issue, you want to try to get you some type of sod in. And so as you can see, we put in this beautiful Zeon Zoysia sod, but also you want to have some type of planting. That planting is going to provide you with the opportunity to suck up a tremendous amount of water. So as you can see, we did that as well on the sides of this landscape. A total transformation from what you guys would have seen in our previous videos, but it does show you just how effectively we're able to solve our customers' landscape problem. And we went with this beautiful retaining wall here, and it's giving the customer an amazing outdoor landscape transformation, a 2-tier retaining wall system, and it allowed for them to be able to truly enhance their landscape. In addition to that, we also took a plant bed thought process along the border of the fence where we knew we had a lot of erosion already. And what that allowed us to do is be able to take in all that water that was coming in on the landscape and be able to have something that's going to be able to suck it up. So we went with the 2 different types of Encore azaleas, and they're going to do absolutely magnificent on this landscape. And as you can see, that retaining wall, absolutely necessary, guys, because it said that it was going to be one of the ways in which we gave this customer a 2-tier retaining wall system. And so as you take yourself down to the 2nd tier, you can see here that this is an absolutely amazing landscape transformation, all brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping. But what it's done is it's given this customer an opportunity to utilize their backyard in a way that they never seen possible. Now, as you can see, the way in which we put this plant design together gave them an opportunity for them to be able to see, not only was it going to be something that allowed for them to be able to save the landscape with the erosion process that they had, which required these 2 retaining walls, but it also was going to be something that allowed for them to be able to have a landscape planting structure that was going to last a lifetime. And that's our #1 goal, guys, is to give you a solution that you can count on, one that's going to be able to solve your problem once and for all. And that's what we did with this landscape. That's what we do each and every time right here at Brooks Landscape. When we solve landscape drainage problems, we give our customers a solution, and then we put them in the best position going forward so that they never have to worry about their landscape drainage problems again. And that's exactly what happened on this landscape, and that's just what we've become accustomed to. And so I wanted to show you guys what we had going on. Want to give you a bird's eye view of exactly what this looks like in real time as we get ready to wrap it up. We're actually getting ready to go to another job that we got going on, and I'll be able to show you guys some of the ways we're dealing with landscape drainage problems there. But I mean, just check out this beautiful Zeon Zoysia side, guys.